Good morning, you're watching the Australian Share Market Outlook on Tuesday, the 11th of February. I'm Lel Smits for the Finance News Network. The Australian share market is eyeing a soft start to the session ahead of a testimony from new US Federal Reserve Chief Janet Yellen. Wall Street crept higher ahead of Yellen's inaugural speech, which is expected to give insight into her position on America's monetary policy. With the nation's unemployment rate just having hit a new 5-year low of 6.6%, investors are looking for hints as to the US central bank's next move. Closer to home, earnings are in the spotlight as reporting season wraps up, and a series of domestic economic data will also be released. ANZ has started the news flow with its quarterly report, revealing the bank's first quarter cash profit gained 13% at the end of last year. Over to global markets now. Wall Street posted a soft start to the week, with indexes edging higher in anticipation of Yellen's testimony. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 8 points to close at 15,802. The S&P 500 added 3 points to close at 1,800, and the Nasdaq added 22 to close at 4,148. European markets began the week mixed. London's FTSE added 20, Paris added 9, and Frankfurt lost 12. Asian markets also closed mixed on Monday. Tokyo's Nikkei added 256, Hong Kong's Hang Seng lost 58, and China's Shanghai Composite added 42. The Australian share market jumped more than 1% into the new week. The S&P ASX 300 index gained 56 points on Monday to finish at 5,222. But on the futures market, the SPY is currently just 1 point higher. Now turning to currencies, and the Australian dollar at 8:15 a.m. was buying 89.47 US cents, 54.55 pence sterling, 91.45 yen, and 65.59 euro cents. Making economic news today, the Australian Bureau of Statistics is releasing housing finance figures for December, also from the ABS residential property price indexes for the December quarter, and finally from NAB, its monthly business survey for January. Looking at some stocks to watch this morning, and as reporting season kicks into gear, eyes will be on earnings reports. Hearing device manufacturer Cochlear will release its first half report. CEO Chris Roberts told FNN the current financial year will be characterised by getting the company's products into the market and would be a year of growth based on the delivery of those products. Ahead of today's results, shares in Cochlear rose 2.22% yesterday to end the session at $58.89. Mining equipment supplier Bradken will also release its first half results today. Bradken earlier forecast its first half will be challenging due to continued tight trading conditions, with the market downturn forcing further redundancies. However, the company also said a slight recent uptick in orders should see its full-year performance come in broadly unchanged. Ahead of today's results, shares in Bradken gained 3.17% yesterday to end the session at $5.21. Turning to ex-dividends, the three companies which will today trade ex-dividend are Argo Investments paying a 13.5-cent fully franked dividend, BKI Investment paying a 3.45-cent fully franked dividend, and Tabcorp paying an 8-cent fully franked dividend. Finally, to commodities, the price of gold has risen $11.80 to $1,274.70 an ounce for the April contract on COMEX. Silver has firmed 17 cents to $20.11 for March. Copper has eased 2 cents, buying $3.22 a pound. The price of oil has gained 18 cents and is currently buying $100.06 a barrel for March light crude in New York. Thank you for watching the Australian Share Market Outlook on Tuesday, the 11th of February. I'm Lel Smits for the Finance News Network. Have a lovely day.